Well, he's a busy person shooting all the time, and finally, whenever I meet Shahid, he's always in this different, totally different look. The last time I met you at LFW, also you were. The same thing is the stubble. What's up with the stubble?
I'm in continuity. I'm actually shooting for Rambo Rajkumar with Prabhu sir. So I have a stubble in the film. So I've been shooting for that pretty much through the month. So we're doing this photo shoot. I had a day off in the middle, so I can't change my look. So it's there.
And I think, I'm sure you're getting a lot of compliments. I think you look very nice in the stubble, by the way. Have people told you that?
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people seem to like it. Prabhu sir really liked it. He thought it was the right look for the film because, the nature of the film is it's rough and it's edgy. So it works for the film and for the space.
Right, absolutely. Also, we heard, I was a little surprised also. We heard you were a little injured during the set.
Yeah, I've been actually injuring myself almost in every schedule. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing both these films, Pata Poster, Nikla Hero and Rambo Rajkumar, have a lot of action.
Yeah.
I think I've shot about 35 days of action for Pata Poster, and we've already shot about 30 days of action for Rambo.
Right.
And it's pretty hardcore stuff. So injuries are part and parcel. But yeah, I mean, you try and be as careful as you can. But I've been injuring myself. Yeah.
Also, I've heard this look kind of reminds us of the Kamine look. Yeah, is it a little similar? I mean, you're all ripped again with all six-pack abs and the sexy stubble. So.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that was something which had a lot of impact. So people kind of, every time I grow a stubble or I have a slightly more mature vibe, people compare it to Kamine. But when you see the films, the characters are very different. The spaces are very different. Kamine was a very edgy, different kind of film. Both these films are extremely commercial in terms of the genre and the space that they're in.
Right.
But yeah, it's a rougher vibe. For Rambo, the vibe is much rougher and it's more rugged. So yeah, maybe in that way, yes.
Do you believe in reinventing yourself when it comes to style every time? And do you try to make yourself look?
I wish I knew how to invent myself in terms of style. I don't think I understand so much about style. I think I depend on the people who are, obviously Kunal, who's my designer. I depend on him completely. I depend on Alim, who does my hair and my look. Where is he? He's not very happy today. He's on homeopathic medication, and so he can't eat anything which has onions and what else? Tomatoes. Anything. He's on boiled food, so he's very depressed today. This is the quietest I've ever seen Alim. Otherwise, he's one of the most lively people to have around on set. So I depend on them completely. I depend on my entire team to take care of me, and I like to go out there and enjoy and do what I'm doing rather than worry about how I'm looking.
Okay, you've pretty much done different hairstyles most of the time, ponytail, long, short,
yes.
Everything mostly. But there's one look that you would never try, one particular look.
No, nothing. No? I think, in fact, whatever a film needs, I think I've reached that point as an actor where, sorry?
Bald?
Yeah, why not? In fact, that's something that I actually thought about. My trainer, Abbas, he's not bald, but he has a buzzed haircut.
Right,
It's really short hair, and I really like that look. In fact, I want to use it in a film.
Okay.
Obviously, it has to be the right role.
Yeah.
So when that kind of role comes, I think it would be very exciting to do something like that.
Something you're doing probably a negative or something like that, no?
Whatever. If a director feels that's what will work, then I'd be very happy to try it, actually.
The last time we spoke to Prabhu, she told us that Sonakshi has kind of been lucky for him, and he also thought that it's an experiment. She hasn't worked with a lot of young actors, and she's starting to now, and
yes.
he wanted to see how it was. How was it working with her? Did you think it worked out?
Well, she's doing. I think she's doing Lutera with Ranveer, and I think she's doing Once Upon a Time with Imran. Both of who are younger than me, and they've debuted after me.
Right.
I think she's a very, very fine actor, and I think she's extremely talented. And obviously, Prabhu sir and her have worked together in Rowdy Rathore, and people loved their combination. So she was in a comfort zone. I needed to step in and try and understand the space. But I've had a fabulous time working with her. She's a very, very good dancer as well. I remember we were doing this song.
Saying that?
Yeah, we were doing this song in Bhuj, and there were some steps which were changed, and spontaneously we were doing something, and she was picking up the steps as fast as me. And in fact, it was her birthday when we were shooting in Y. She was shooting with us, so we had a little thing get together, and she remembered all the steps of the entire song.
Right.
So she's a natural dancer, she's a natural actor, and I'm sure she'll go very far in her career. I'm very impressed with whatever little I've worked with her.
You've always been this extremely lovable romantic hero as well. Do we see that side again soon? I know it's you also have romance and action, but you know what I mean, right? Like completely romantic, like a Mosam or something like that. Something where you again come back to that.
I'm open to doing all kinds of films, but it was important, I feel, for me to try something different. I did a couple of love stories. The last two films that I did were love stories, both Mausam and Teri Meri Kahani. And it's important to keep changing it over. And I think at this point in my career, it was very important for me to challenge myself and do something I haven't done before. So both these films, which are masala entertainers, are a very new space for me. Both the films have romance in them. Phata Poster has a decent amount of romance. Rambo Rajkumar is actually a violent love story, so it has a lot of romance in it. But yeah, it's not soft. It's not as soft as maybe my earlier films. But I'm sure I'll get back to it at some point, depending on when I like a script and when I like, when I'm offered something which I feel I'm equally excited about. Because I enjoy doing that as well. It's very exciting. I don't injure myself as often, so it's a little more comfortable.
You won't get lured by action, would you?
I'm really enjoying action, I mean, I didn't know how I'd be at it because I've never done action before. But somehow, because maybe I'm a dancer, I'm being able to adjust to it, and I've had a really, really fun time doing action. And I'm really excited to see how people respond to it because, it requires a lot of hard work. There's a lot you need to put in when you're an action hero. I suddenly realized how comfortable being a romantic hero was. So yeah, I'd like to mix it up depending on the kind of, films that I'm doing.
Thank you so much, Shahid. Rudrani Chatra with camera person Paresh, Zoom.